What up, though, everybody? It's October Duncan with another video coming at you. Um, Today, I want to talk about a topic that came up recently because markets are pumping and stuff like that. That bull market is in the bull's in the building, right? A young lady who I helped did a crypto consultation for some months back. Literally, I'm not gonna say some months back. I did. I say closer to a year ago, about a year mark, and I got it right. And then now her account is around like 2,250 or something like that. And I mean, she didn't ask me my advice, but she wants to go buy some red bottoms. So 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 she's like, how do I cash out, Ryan? I don't know. I listened to you. I invested in Ren. So again, not investment advice, but you know what I'm saying. She follows my signals. I'll say that she follows my signals. What I do. But invested in Ren, I was invested in Chainlink, I was invested in Ethereum, I was invested in iExec RLC, I was invested in Waves. You know what I'm saying? These things don't went up, I done made some money. How do I cash out? I want to go buy these shoes. I was thinking I didn't want to charge my credit card or whatever like that. That's how she came at me. So I was like, don't do this, girl. Don't do it. Don't do it. But she wanted to do it. So I can't not tell her. And then the question, it seems like the question might come up with as the crypto gains start happening, people are going to want to cash out. So first thing you want to do is you want to go over to your Coinbase app. Everybody's got Coinbase. I don't keep a lot of money in my Coinbase. Like I said, I get money in my Coinbase or whatever other account I'm using, my Crypto.com account, and I send it out to a decentralized wallet. I do not keep my money on centralized options. And pardon my manners, I'm smoking those wedding cake tonight. But let me know what you guys are blowing on. Uh, and I say like I need to stop that. That's what my dad always tells me. I need to work on that. But what we want to do is you want to go to Coinbase. You see, you got like $11. Say this, 1,100 or whatever red bottoms cost. I don't know. You want to cash out some money, and so what you want to do is you want to go to your portfolio. Look at what you got. Let's say it's here. What we'll do is we'll convert this. Actually, I just go the REN. And what we want to do is you want to go down, you see your balance, and you want to hit the trade button. Trade. And what you're doing is you're selling your REN. You're selling your position in REN for whatever value you have. Cool. You want to hit the max button on the left hand side, or I just went back. Or you could, change the amount. Let's say you had $1,000, you could easily put in, 500 or what I'm saying, 250, whatever you comfortable, taking out of your stash. You done made this money, you done put $100 in, and now it's 1,000, right? So what do you want to take out? You done got your pros. What you gonna do with it? And so we're just gonna hit the max. Take you right over to the screen. It shows you the RIM price. It gives you all the details of the sale. The sale, what you getting, your Coinbase, and you paying the fee. Fee obviously be higher the higher pros you get on money. Sell now. Do do do. And then you see you got that successfully sold. I know a lot of people ask, like she asked me, well, who am I selling it to? You're selling it back to the market. Don't worry about it. Just don't even worry about it. You're selling it back to Coinbase. That's essentially what you're doing. Um, and then so what you do is you can see the details of the trade if you wanted to again, or you can go down to withdraw the funds. Go to withdraw the funds. You can see I could, take it, withdraw the funds with an instant fee to my debit card. You could cash out with PayPal. It's always a pretty quick and good option. Let's do the cash out the PayPal option just because I know a lot of people use that. And so we'll just say the cash out available amount of $6.69. So 6.69. Oops, 69 cents. And then see same day, and it's free for PayPal. So, you know, with the debit card it was a little bit of a fee and it was instant, but It's the same day, so I don't know if it's not. It didn't say instant, so maybe not instantly, but still same day. I mean, to save on fees, I do it. I mean, I don't know how fast you need your money, but maybe them red bottoms is a calling. So preview the cash out. Do do do. You can see it and it's happening. You see what today's date is when we're doing this. And you see what's going on, and then you cash out now. Do. And your cash is on the way. We'll notify you when your cash out is complete. And you view your account, you go there, you see the cash isn't there anymore. So what you'll do is you'll go over and then you'll probably get an email of some sort saying that, hey, hey, your money's arrived or whatever like that. So and your PayPal. So that's how you cash out. If you guys need more instructionals on how to, what I'm saying, cash out and you know, move your money around, just let me know. Shoot me a message or a DM or something like that or whatever, and I'll make you a video, a simple video. Again, this is so from a lot of this from an older crowd, but just people who just don't know understand how to get involved and do some of the simpler things in cryptocurrency, but it might be harder to others if they've never seen it before. So it's a simple way you done made a little bit of money. You need to cash out. This is how you do it. Bam. I give it y'all. Peace.